Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix controller not working in Subnautica on PC. First, open Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, Controller tab, try Disable Steam Input, relaunch the game, and check. If that doesn't work, enable Steam Input instead and test again. You can also set it back to default and continue. Next, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand Human Interface Devices and disable any unnecessary external devices like third-party keyboards, mice, or USB dongles. If you're using Razer or similar software, close it. Then restart your PC. Now unplug extra devices. Disconnect additional controllers, racing wheels, pedals, flight sticks, arcade sticks, or USB adapters. Also disconnect extra monitors if possible, and disable any virtual controller apps like VJoy. Next, try using a wired connection. Connect your controller directly using a USB cable, then launch the game. You can also launch Steam in Big Picture mode top right corner and start the game from there. This often improves controller detection. Now set your preferred controller. Search USB game controllers in Windows, open it, go to Advanced, and select your main controller Xbox or PlayStation, then launch the game. If you're using a PlayStation controller, you can try DS4 Windows for better compatibility. Next, update your controller firmware. For Xbox controllers, install the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store, connect your controller via USB, and update it. For PlayStation controllers, use the PlayStation Accessories app from the official website and update your device. Once updated, relaunch the game and check. One of these steps should fix the controller issue. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.